So FaME is a falls prevention management course, which is seen as the gold standard in falls prevention. It's an opportunity that we've developed in partnership with Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, the Stay Steady clinics that are run across the city, as well as ElderFit, who are a specialist physical activity provider for older people. FaME is a tailored and progressive falls management course which looks to improve the stability and confidence for older people to obviously minimise falls. It's also a really good social project where people come together for an extended period of time and they build up that rapport whilst in the sessions.
So the aim of this FaME course is to help individuals improve their strength and their balance and their flexibility. The overall aim really is to try to teach them backward chaining. So backward chaining is the process of teaching somebody how to get onto the floor from a seated position. And if we can teach somebody how to get onto the floor under control, in theory, we can teach them how to get up if they happen to have a fall. We've seen so many improvements within the participants. Every single week, their strength, their balance, their flexibility is improving. Really importantly, their confidence is improving. When their confidence is improving, they're regaining their independence. They're able to live their lives more comfortably. We had a story a couple of weeks ago. One of our participants is now confident enough to walk to the post office on her own. She doesn't have to ask anyone else to take a letter for her, so she doesn't feel like a burden. And it's just a joy, really.
I came to the course because I have problems with my legs. I walk with a walking stick, and physiotherapy in a hospital sent me a sort of invitation, would I like to go? And for me, this is ideal because I can do the exercises here, and then I do sometimes practice at home, but I have to say not always, but it's very good for me.
The course will help me physically because since I start coming to the course, I find out my balance is better, my walking is better, and I'm really enjoying it. Really.
The exercises we do are really good, they're helpful. It's a small class, the age group is good, nothing against young people, but it's nice to be with people your own age. And we have tea and biscuits after, and we all enjoy it.
If you're a Cardiff resident and you're interested in finding out more about the FaME course or how to access it, then get in touch with your local Stay Steady clinic, which can be found on the Cardiff and Vale University Health Board website.